Kia ora tātou, kānau te mihi ki a koutou. Welcome to this presentation of what is an exciting project for our church, St Paul's in the Park, and our local community. Construction has begun on the building of a new church, which includes a community centre. This will enable local community groups to run their programs within the complex, but also for our church to run programs for the benefit of the local community. There is a shortage of such facilities in the Flatbush community, so it is our hope that this will be seen as a wonderful asset for our local community. From a church perspective, this will enable us to grow, but also to minister to our local community. I believe for a church to be relevant, that it must be part of and relate to its local community. Projected completion date is March, April next year, but in the meantime, please do join us for Sunday worship at St Paul's in the Park. I'm sure you will find us very welcoming and inclusive.